So that's it for this road trip on another road to nowhere. And what better way to bid farewell to Bo and Belle than to watch these two ponies ride off into the distance to who knows where. Classic cars are everywhere, from the everyday much-loved runabout to the rare and valuable collector's items. One thing we all agree, there's nothing cooler than a classic. Like this Lamborghini Miura, once owned by international model Twiggy and still oozing 1960s style. Or this E-Type Jaguar, recently voted the world's most beautiful car. Of course, like you saw in the buyer's guide, you don't have to be rich to drive a classic, you just have to love classic cars.